Hey guys, so you know that say that a woman when she has her hair done, she doesn't care about anything? That's so true. I am so happy with my hair that it's back to red where I don't even remember when was, besides the mistake, when was the last time I had my hair a different color. And I love this. Love, love, love. I have different shades of hair, red, but always red. It's it makes me, I don't know, it just like makes me a happy person. So I want to talk to you guys today about um, Miha products. I'm sorry. I want to talk to you guys about Miha products today because I want to show you the difference between sizes when you compare to other brands. I'm not saying that other brands are bad, okay? What I'm saying is like Miha and Maison Visage gives you a more for your buck, okay? So that's what I want to say. For example, there are different treatments, okay? For example, this mask, this is a kilogram of a mask, okay, for treatment. A kilogram, and it comes full. Like, can you see this? Full. And the smell. That's one thing. So then we have, and this is for professional, on the professional side. Okay, so if you are a professional of the hair, the beauty industry, and you're gonna be in the Orlando Hair Show, come see me. The booth number is 3419-3419. I'm gonna be there with the brand. We're gonna have Miha and Maison Visage. We're gonna have the products for sale, and this is half a kilogram, which is 500 grams, 17 ounces. And again, the smell is fantastic. And look, it comes full. It doesn't come halfway full. It's full to the top. Okay, so that's one thing. Another thing that it's very good at Miha is that they value your client's money as well, not just you as a stylist, but also your clients. Because how many times have you seen a client complaining that it's too much money for a little bottle, like a 300 ml, which is like, I don't even remember how many ounces, but anyways, how many times you've seen that? Plenty, right? Exactly. So let me show you this, the size of this volume control from Miha for curly hair. Look at the size of this. It's like, seriously, it's bigger than my hand. So if you put like in fingers, it's like 12 fingers. That's, well, you measure horses by hand, so why not to measure the product by fingers? Anyhow, so this is for curly hair, and we know that people with curly hair, they may use a lot of product, so this is gonna help you to have like more product longer for longer time for not so much money. The price for this one, I don't remember now, but I'm not here to talk about price, but I can guarantee you that it's not that expensive. Another product that I want to talk to you about it, and it's one of my favorites since the first time I used on my hair. I have seen immediate results, and that is something that it calls me to use a brand when I see immediate results. Why? Because I hair, we don't have time to be like showing results in 2-3 months. We have to see results faster. Okay, so this is the Fusion. It comes in 3 steps: shampoo, treatment, and leave-in. So this one, Fusion, has a CMC um, molecule inside. And what is CMC? CMC stands for cell membrane complex, which is inside your hair strand. I know the hair is so fine, but it can fit so much stuff inside, but it does. And like from the fragrance to the feeling of the hair, even for finer hair. So my daughter has very fine hair, and I did use on her hair the last time she was here, but I put like just a tiny bit, and I spread on my hands, and I go on her hair, and it's like, it smells good, the hair is shinier, everything is perfect. So like Miha and Maison Visage really values what it offers to its clients in a full spectrum, okay? Like from the professional side of it to the client side of it. So I invite you to come, and if you are a beauty professional and you're gonna come to Orlando for on June 2 and 3 for the premiere Orlando, I invite you to come and see me at the booth 3419. We're gonna be there with all our products from Miha and Maison Visage, and I guarantee you, you're gonna love to feel the fragrance, feel the product, and everything in between. Bye! See you later!